Welcome to another Mimu tutorial video. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to set up in-venue services for your venue. To do this we must move to the menu and move on to our venue settings page. If we scroll down we can see in-venue service settings. If we toggle this on, we now can see our configured bars. Some venues will only have a single bar configured, in which case the drop-down box will not function. If you have multiple bars, you can access the individual bar settings by using the drop-down box. For each of the bars that are configured, you are able to set the table service on or off by simply choosing the correct bar. Once you are happy with the configurations, then return to the current orders window. Thank you for listening.